So, this is what not giving up on your dreams feels like pala. Sobrang saya. Nakailang beses ako mag-try na gumawa ng pelikula. For some reason, hindi siya natutuloy. And, yeah. Nung hindi siya makapaniwala na si Kadilex, Jameson, at Kira yung magiging artista namin, hindi din po ako makapaniwala na tinanggap nila do. So, sobrang salamat sa inyo. And congratulations, by the way, sa Best Actor nomination. Thank you so much. And, bigay ko na. Thank you everyone!
Ayun, thank you ulit Direk for getting us. Dito ka muna Direk. Huwag ka muna umalis. Yeah, sobrang thankful ako na ito yung debut film mo and kasama ako dito. I'm happy to be a part of one of your life's milestones. Wow, life's milestones. Thank you din to sa lahat po ng crew na nag-alaga po sa amin. Thank you to the camera crew, to the audio crew, to the utility crew. Thank you to my co-actors, Jameson, si Kira, who's in PBB, and Alexa, who's doing the one sa dilim right now. That's why they couldn't make it. Thank you so much din sa mga fans namin, ni Alexa, Sweetheart. And of course, my cadence, yung solids ko po. Thank you so much po. And solids din ni Alexa. Thank you. Ayun. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the film. Thank you din Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival 2025 for thank you because I'm very grateful to be a part of this. This is my first time being a part of a film festival and yes, more power to everybody. Hello everyone. Good evening sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for making the time and being here to support Co-Love. I just want to say thank you to Pure Gold, Cine Panalo, for giving this opportunity to us to make this film, to do this film. And sayang wala si Kira and Alexa. Pero I'm sure they'll be happy to see you all here. So again, thanks for being here. Hope you all enjoy Cola.
Direk Jill, if you could please introduce your crew as well. Could we have them come down here and join them on the floor so we can recognize them?
Alright, sige, tawagin ko muna mga Yummy Boys. Si Jason, si Jervin, si AR, si Ace, and si Nico. Yes! Give it up guys! The Yummy Boys! And of course, Tita Cecil Bravo, who's also a part of the cast. Yan. Si Tonico! Si Tonico, where's Tonico? Ayun. And si Clyde, yung host natin, and Rose. Si Miss Joyce, ang mami ni Peach. Si Miss Joyce. Ayun, dito siya. So, crew, I would like to call on Reza, our line producer, to introduce Reza. Ate Reza. Nag-CR lang. Okay, palakpakan natin siya pagbalik niya. Paul Vito, our poster designer and our official photographer. Paul Vito, there you go. Miss France, of course. Oh, yan o. Front row, Pam, thank you so much. Pam, and everyone. Ay, Juliana. Si Juliana, Ariana, as Charlotte, kapatid siya ni KD sa film. Ano doon? Oo nga. Reza. Okay, may sasabihin lang po sina Tita Cecil.
So, good evening po sa inyo lahat. First of all, thank you very much sa support nyo. At syempre nga, sabi nga, first time. Marami rin sa amin first time. Ako din first time ko. Mag-artista, oh my God. Kaya ayan, nandiyo yung mga friends ko. Relatives ko, thank you very much. Yung hindi pa nakapanood, ganon din naman maganda talaga yung movie. It was done beautifully and all the actors and actresses na sasabihin natin na gumanap dito. they did give justice sa role nila. And yun na nga, we are praying na bukod sa talagang tangkilikin nyo to, yung di mga iba din nating mga Pilipinong pelikula kasi pinaghirapan niya lahat ng bawat isa. And as always, thank you very much sa inyo dahil malaking tulong to sa amin lahat. God bless us all. Ito si Direk, ha?
Tatawagin ko na po yung aming cinematographer, Director of Photography, Mr. Alex Espartero.
Diyan ko lang po sila.
Yun. Nandito naman si Reza, tapos siya mag-CR.
Namamadali natin.
Si Reza ang aming pinakamagandang line producer na nag-handle ng crew. Next. Kwento mo na yung journey natin.
Kaya, yung, bali, kasi bali start. Restart nito kasi pinausap ko ni Direk Gil na may gusto siyang gawin ng pelikula, to for it, then syempre, ginawa na nagkwento kami ko ng concept. Then, shoot lang kami, baga para kami lang. Tapos, yun, hindi namin nakalain na papasok na. Yun yung talaga yung sorry, medyo mahiyaan po ako. Pasensya na.
Ayun, si Reza, yun na yung producer namin. Salamat. And of course, oh my God. So, our editor, Miss Vanessa Ubas de Leon. Patawagin mo ako.
Napakagaling.
Ako pa kasi. Humihi kasi yung line producer natin. Pasensya na po. Ako nga nakalimutan ko ako nag-direct nito eh. Pag 99 times ko na po ito mapapanood tonight, minsan nakakalimutan ko po talaga. Yes, ayan. Sir RS, sobrang salamat po sa lahat ng suporta. Binili niya po yung home gateway, ladies and gentlemen.
I love you po pa. Tangilingin natin ang mga pelikulang Pilipino. Salamat po. Here goes, Sine Panalo. Salamat po.
Ipapasok ko na yung microphone kay Reza.
Nandito rin po yung production designer namin, si Kenneth.
Kenneth, bati na tayo! Kenneth!
Saka yung mga production associates po namin, si Emmy at saka si Bo. Ayan. Yan po yung mga gumawa ng DVD.
Pasensya na po, weird ko ah. Oy, Miami Boys, sasabihin po ba?
Hello.
Wala na, start na tayo.
Hi guys, I'm one of the Miami Boys and thank you po sa suporta at pagtangkilik. And thank you Sir Direk Gil Ordaneta sa opportunity of course and sa Sine Panalo. Thank you.
Alright, and with the cast and crew behind Colab here on the floor with us, we would like to take the opportunity to award the official Pure Gold Sine Panalo Certificate of Participation to Direk Gil Singson Ordaneta. May I call back on stage Pure Gold Sine Panalo Festival Director Direk Chris Kahilig along with Pure Gold Senior Marketing Manager and Festival Chair Ms. Ivy Piedad to award the certificate.
Basahin pa. Again, this is Pure Gold Sine Panalo Film Festival 2025 Certificate of Participation. This certificate is hereby awarded to Gil Singson Ordaneta for the film Colab in appreciation of their participation in the 2025 Pure Gold Sine Panalo Film Festival. Given on the 16th day of March 2025 at the Gateway Cinemas in Araneta Center, Quezon City, signed yours truly, Chris Kahilig, Festival Director, Ms. Ivy Hayagan Piedad, Senior Marketing Manager, Pure Gold Prize Club Inc. and Festival Chair, and of course, Mr. Vincent Ko, President of Pure Gold Prize Club Inc. Congratulations, Direk Gil.
Now, if everyone could please squeeze together for a quick photo op with the team behind Colab.
Compress po. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ayaw nila ako bigyan ng mic kasi wig ko. Ano sinasabi?